Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing product video. Today I bring you this, which is a ornament storage for your Christmas tree. Look, I'm gonna show you. It comes with this little paper, and this is the main box. Okay, look, we're gonna open it here, and as you can see, it's very big. It's pretty well sized, and it can be folded as easy as this. And it comes with the top cover. This goes up, and it comes with the instructions manual. Very easy to follow, very short. And look, this is one of the levels we're gonna make today. This is the first one, but it comes with another two of them. Look, and this is the floor for each level, and as well it comes with 4 in the box. Okay, like this, and this is the dividers. It comes with 3 of them, 1 for each level. I'm gonna show you how to build your ornament storage. It's very easy. You just need to follow the instructions. Very simple to follow. Doesn't take you a lot of time. And as you can see, it's very simple. You don't need any tools, extra tools. Just with your hands, you can build it as easy as this. You can see we almost finished. We just need the last level, and we have the box, and you just need to put them in as this. Very easy. I need to say I like a lot this design. It's very simple. It's not heavy at all, and we just finished putting our top cover. Look, you can open this little door, and you have 3 drawers where you can take out your ornaments very easily. Look, this is an example. I have few of them. Look how pretty it is with my Christmas tree. And it's very practical. I love this design. You just grab one ornament and you put it in. So that's it. I like a lot this product. I recommend it a lot. I hope you like this video. See you the next time.